Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us see how to solve a problem when they have asked you to solve a different methods. So the question is on the screen. Kindly take the screenshot of the question, and as and how I solve the problem, please keep the question in parallel to it. The three workers A, B, C produced 80 pieces, 100 pieces and 120 pieces. So there are three workers in a firm and they are producing 80 pieces, 100 pieces and 120 pieces. So this is what the output they have produced. Next, the time allowed for 10 units of product is 1 hour. So in 1 hour they can produce 10 units and the hourly rate is 4 rupees. So for 10 units they can take 1 hour of time, and for 1 hour they'll be paying them rupees 4. Calculate for each of these workers the following. So we need to calculate their earnings for the day and their effective rate of earnings. So we need to calculate this under three different methods. One is straight piece rate system, then wholesale premium bonus, that is 50% of time saved, then row on premium bonus method of remuneration. Now here it is A, B and C. So first let us write their actual output, whatever the actual output. A output is 80 units, B has produced 100 units and C has produced 120 units. And the time taken, so they are told that in 1 hour they will produce 10 units. So divided by 10, 80 divided by 10 will be 8 hours, 100 divided by 10 will be 10 hours and 120 divided by 10 will be 12 hours. Now piece rate, what they have told, so for 10 units it is 4 rupees. So for 1 unit it will be 40 paisa. So 80 into 40 paisa, 80 into 40 paisa we need to do like that. So 80 into 40 paisa. Next, so for all three it will be 40 paisa. Next, the time allowed. So the time allowed, so we'll assume that in a day the workers should be allowed to work only for 8 hours. So the standard time will be 8 hours. Now we can get the time saved. So 8 minus 8 is 0, 10 minus 8 is 2 hours, then 12 minus 8 is 4 hours. Now next we need to calculate earnings per day. Earnings per day. So the first one is piece rate system. So nothing but hours into rate. Piece rate system. So it is units into rate. So they have produced 80 into 0.40, 80 into 0.40 will be 32, then 100 into 0.40 will be 40, then 120 into 0.40 will be 48. So this is the piece rate. Now B, we need to find out wholesale bonus based on wholesale plan, and C we need to find out based on row on plan. Now let us solve first on the basis of wholesale plan. So what is the formula? The wages will be time taken plus 50% of time saved into rate. So now for A worker, how much hours he has taken? A worker has taken 8 hours. So for everyone the time actual allowed is 8 hours only they have worked, into any time he has saved? No, he has not saved any time. It is plus, sorry, into the rate per hour is how much? The rate per hour. Rate per hour is 4 rupees. So when you do for A it will be 32 rupees. So write that 32 rupees here. Next, worker B. Worker B also has worked for 8 hours actual time plus 50% of time saved. So he has saved 2 hours. 50% of 2 hours is 1 hour. So 8 hour plus 1 hour into 4 means 9 hours into 4. So total he will be paid, that is 36 rupees. So it will be 36 rupees. Next, worker C. Worker C has saved 4 hours. So actual time allowed is 8 hours. He has saved 4 hours. 50% of time saved means 50% of 4 hours is 2 hours into 4. So 10 hours into 4, it will be 40 rupees. So here it will be 40 rupees. So this is Halsey plan. This is Halsey plan. Now next we can calculate here, that is Rowan plan. This is whatever we did is based on Halsey plan. Now Rowan plan. So what is the formula for Rowan plan? It is time taken into rate plus time saved divided by time allowed into time taken into rate. So let us see this for all A, B and C. A, time taken, all three has taken 8 hours of time and rate is 4 rupees per hour. They will be paid 4 rupees only. Here he has not saved any time, so it will be as usual 0 plus here he has saved how many hours? 2 hours, but time allowed was 10 hours into time taken is 8 hours into rate is 4. Here he has saved 4 hours, time allowed was 10, and how much he has taken? So time taken will be 6 hours into 4. So here when you do it will be 32 rupees, and here when you do it will be 38.40 rupees, and here it will be 41.6 rupees. So now write that here. How much? 32 rupees, 38.40 rupees and 41.6 rupees. Next we need to find out earnings per hour, means we need to divide everything by 8. So first one is piece rate system, second one is Halsey plan, third one is Rowan plan. So here we are having 32. So 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4 and 32 divided by 8 is 4 because we are working for 8 hours. Then 40 divided by 8 is 5. 36 divided by 8 is 4.5. 38.40 divided by 8 is 4.8. Next, 48 divided by 8 is 6 rupees. 40 divided by 8 is 5 rupees. Then 41.6 divided by 8 is 5.2 rupees. This is how you need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. Please solve the problem once again. And if you get any doubt while watching the video or while solving, please put your queries in the comments. We'll try to respond to your queries as soon as possible. And thank you for watching the full video. And in the next video, we'll be solve more problems. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.